right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Valentine's Day. So we're headed to get something to eat in Lexington. And then we're going to Monkey Joe's.
Sissy ate her first cake pop. What did you think of your cake pop? Was it good?
That one.
Bubba, everybody wave. Kate's got a hold of Becky. She's saying happy birthday.
Say hey, Kiki.
Guys, we just made it to Monkey Joe's. We're going to go inside and play. Who's ready? Sissy, good job! It's okay, buddy. Bubba's finally made it. Here he comes. Whoa! Good job. Wow.
Are you guys driving the car?
See how they're doing. Oh no, they're not doing too good. Sissy's climbing. Guys, we finally made it back home, and this is going to end our episode. Had a great time. Join in next week. New episode out every week. Been slow the last 2 weeks, but that's all right. Like, subscribe, follow. Let's go.